All right, folks, so you're going to have a whole series of different designs that you need to submit for me. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. Along with that process, we're also going to be showing you the way you could share these with other people if you wanted to show these off to your friends or your family or whatnot. So when you're in your Autodesk Fusion 360, you want to open your data panel over here and find the project you've been working on. You double click and open the project you've been working on. You'll see each of your designs lined up here in the data panel. If you right click on a design, one of the options when you right click will be share public link. Do you see this right here? Share public link. You click on that, it opens up this share public link panel. Now for the default options in this panel are perfectly fine for this assignment. You can simply click the copy button and go to town. Please note, there are additional settings here you can change depending on what you want for the future. If you were trying to share this with a friend or family member, you can allow the item to be downloaded or require a password. For these circumstances, please don't bother changing any of these options. Simply click copy. And then I'm going to show you what you get with that link. Switch over here to the internet and I right click, paste. When you go to that link, it takes you to a place where you'll actually see that object and be able to interact with it. You can see different options. You could measure things. You can do angles. You can calibrate stuff. You can zoom. You can move around. Lots of different options in here for working within this environment. You can do sectional analysis. This is pretty cool. Slicing through the object, taking a look at what it looks like on the inside. So what this allows me to do is you're going to share all of your objects with me with those links, and I'll be able to see what you've done pretty quickly and easily. Now, what do you do with those links? You're going to come over to your assignment. Your assignment will be over here under Reminders, Practice Worksheet 1. It's also going to be under Unit 3. Down here at the bottom, Practice Worksheet 1. You've already submitted Getting Started in Fusion 360. Practice Worksheet 1 is this one here. And you're going to submit those links. You should have 12 links. How do you do that? Let's take a look. If I switch over to my student account, Practice Worksheet 1, Submit Assignment. There are 3 tabs when you go to submit an assignment: Upload, Create, and Resources. For the most part, you've used Upload and Resources before. For these circumstances, we're going to go ahead and use the Create panel. Now in here, I can simply paste my links. Okay, the next one, Fusion 360, get my next project. Right click, share public link. Come on. Copy. Right click, paste. I can go right down and make those all links. You're going to have a list of 12 links. Please put them in order on the worksheet. So the order they are in the worksheet, put them in that order here. Yes, I have a list of 12 links. Hit submit. And then I'll see your assignment submitted. Any question for how you'll submit this assignment? Okay.